Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through a fix if you keep getting error that you can change your username on Instagram. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and here if I want to change my username, then I'm gonna tap on my profile picture at the bottom right corner. And after that, I'm gonna choose edit profile. And now I'm gonna choose username. And now let's say, for example, you're trying to change your username on Instagram, but it doesn't allow you to do that. So here I want to be reminded that username can't be more than 13 characters and it only contains letters, numbers, underscores, and period. So if you add symbols or punctuation mark, then your username can't be changed and it keeps saying error that you can't change your username. So here, make sure that your username contains numbers, letters, underscores, and periods, and that's all. Anything else won't allow you to change your username on Instagram. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya!